Today we're going to use a simple propane torch, a body hammer, and a blowgun to get rid of oil canning or metal that pops in and out. The reason I believe that works so well is by putting a ding in the surface, it actually uses up metal from the surrounding area. And by heating it up, it raises the surface, softens the metal, so you can put that ding in there. Now we can fill this without worrying about it popping in and out while sanding. And what's left is just the normal flex of the roof. After removing the old paint and primer, we found lots of old filler and areas that oil canned all across the back. To fix it, we used this method on each spot until the roof was solid and all the high spots were gone. Now we can fill and sand with no issues. I hope this method using simple tools helps when it comes to shrinking metal or fixing panels that pop in and out. If it did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.